In today's Colorado Rocky Mountain adventure, we will continue our 2-hour drive from Breckenridge to wrap up Day 3's itinerary. As the name suggests, Snowmass is a world-class ski resort with more than 3,000 acres of massive mountain terrain. In the summer, Snowmass is known for outdoor adventures and engaging events set against a spectacular backdrop of mountains, rivers, wildlife, and sunshine. Sitting at elevations over 8,209 feet, with over 3,200 acres of skiable land, Snowmass features 92 runs to complete. This expansive village is home to many accommodations to keep guests engaged. Alright guys, so after driving over 2.5 hours from Breckenridge, Colorado, we have finally made it to Snowmass, which is located near Aspen. And we are at the Limelight Hotel parking garage right now. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown. It's been a very long day, guys, so and we drove almost 500 miles. It's just insane. But yeah, we're at the parking garage now. I'm going to be filming a walkthrough of this room tour at this hotel, as well as a little bit of outside Snowmass Village. Alright guys, so we have made it to the Limelight Hotel here in Snowmass Village. And look how amazing this freaking room setup is. Oh my gosh. This is definitely probably one of the best hotels we've stayed at. We'll start off here with the bathroom, of course. Look at this. Super clean, modern looking. Everything's really nice here. Look at that. Yes, we got the vertical bar lights. I love that. It's really nice. And then in the shower here, as you can see, you get multiple options. Look at that. Jeez. So yeah, you got your tub. You got this shower head, which you could pull off, of course. It's really nice. Nice metallic finish too. I like that. That's really cool. There we go. Just an absolutely insane hotel. And then over here, we got your storage area. There's the safe, of course, and then you got your coat rack storage here. It comes with these custom robes, these bathrobes, which are really nice too. And then over here, which is one of my favorite sections, there's a nice little Smeg retro fridge, which is really, really cool. I've always wanted these for my house too. That's amazing. Got your microwave set up, your wine glasses. Nice sink over here as well. And then look at this, guys. This is the 2 queen bed setup right over here. Oh man, this is so cool. So we've been driving for about 2.5 hours from Breckenridge, and just coming to this hotel and seeing this just really topped off the rest of the day. And then over here you got your seating area, really nice. And let's take a look outside too. I know it's pitch dark right now, but who knows? Yeah, you can't really see anything out there. But yeah, guys, this has been the Limelight Hotel room review here. Very impressed with this. Stay tuned for more videos in Day 4 of our Colorado adventures. Alright guys, as you can see, they have a workout room, which is really beautiful over here. Bunch of treadmills and stuff. And then over here, look at this pool. Actually, it's a large hot tub with 2 different sections here. Jeez, look at that. So nice. We're about to jump in here too. Here's the other section down here. Then at the end, they have a couple of large cabanas. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but it's really nice. Good morning guys, and welcome to day 4 of our Colorado adventures. Today we are going to explore Snowmass Village as well as Aspen. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this peaceful adventure.
Oh, that's the front entrance.
Alright guys, look at this place. Jeez. It's a beautiful morning. So there's a bunch of different shopping centers over here in Snowmass Village. Just a gorgeous morning too. And we were supposed to go to Maroon Bells, which is a very popular destination around here, very picturesque. But there's a rain forecast for today, so I don't think we're going to be able to make it there, unfortunately. But hey, that gives us a reason to come back here. Just a gorgeous little village set up. As you can see over here, they got some playgrounds for kids. These really cool looking... What is this? Oh, that's really cool. It's like a big drink. That's a nice little sculpture right there. And there's the Collective over there. It's another popular location. Look at that view. And during the summer, the gondola only runs on the weekends, guys. So we were going to take the gondola all the way to the top of the mountain, but I think we might have to hoof it on foot. Look at that. Really a beautiful place. Alright guys, and this is our hotel's little patio area over here that we were at last night. Looks a lot better in the sunlight. Give me a wave, Dad. It was now time to pack up and check out of the Limelight Hotel, which I highly recommend if you are planning a trip to Snowmass. Stay tuned for the continuation of Day 4's adventures through Colorado when we visit another iconic town.